Hello, welcome. My name is Alex. Today I will tell you about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Are you ready? Let's learn together. Hi, good morning. My name is Alex. This is my morning routine. I wake up at 7 a.m., I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, then I wash my face. After that, I drink water sometimes. I drink tea or coffee. I do some exercise. I like to stay healthy. Then I take a shower. I get dressed. I wear simple and comfortable clothes. Next, I have my breakfast. I usually eat bread, eggs, or fruit. After breakfast, I check my phone. I read messages and emails. Then I start my work. This is my morning routine. Thank you for listening. Practice every day and don't forget to subscribe for real life English. See you in the next lesson.